Many governments found that it was difficult to reduce poverty in our society. Before writing down your notes, check the accuracy of your data. A treaty deal built between two countries was just announced. His analysis appeared to be based on the fourth premise. Please make an appointment with your tutor about work. Social media has a significant impact on journalism. The full list of undergraduate programs can be found on the website. It is necessary to attend the laboratory introduction. The department has been reimbursed for equipment. The introduction of railway greatly contributed to the revolution of train industry. It is of the utmost importance that you follow the ethical guidelines carefully. Many undergraduate students go back home and stay with their parents after graduation.
We didn't mean to ask him to do it because he cannot manage it. Even with the permit, finding a parking spot on campus is still impossible. Remember to sign the attendance register before leaving the lecture hall. It's obviously vital that companies should fully understand their customers. Income inequality is a major challenge facing many societies today. Small businesses play an important role in local communities. The university has a diverse student body from around the world. The momentum is defined as the combination of mass and velocity. Lecture outlines are available on the college internal website. The commissioner will portion the funds among all the sovereignties. Many graduates of journalism can get jobs in the communications field. In any written assignment, a detailed literature review is very important. People in this kind of job tend to work long hours. The chemistry building is located near the entrance to the campus. The author's early works are less philosophical and more experimental. The camera can identify eyes and focus on them. The economy is now on its first signs of recovery. The lecture will cover the reason of climate change. Please make an appointment before attending the next meeting. I think of those leaders who inspire us to go beyond the call of duty. The result of the study will be published next month. There are a range of housing options near university students. The trial experiment is to increase the interests of the issue in the jurisdiction clause. Marks will be awarded for a bibliography in the correct format. Numerous courses devoted to life sciences are listed in the prospectus. The English expression is just a way of saying that age is not important. We are considering all candidates' backgrounds and identities. The students are supposed to assemble in the seminar hall before the announcement.
Illusions can appear real, but we get to choose whether or not to buy into them.
What other people think about you isn't about you, it's about them. Push yourself to do one thing outside your comfort zone today. Our dreams have no limitations except those that we place on them. When we change our beliefs on the inside, we will transform our results on our outside world. When we celebrate in advance, things have a way of lining up. Size matters, so keep your dreams big and your worries small. We spent too much time worrying about the things that mattered least. Change your thoughts and you'll change your habits. Action is the step many forget when they wonder what happened to their dream.